Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Beans channel. I'm with you by introducing a trading strategy for which we need to use TradingView to get signals. A powerful and attractive trading strategy for trading in binary options that is suitable for both beginner and professional traders. First, I will teach you how to get signals with this strategy, and then we will make a few trades in the PocketOption broker with this trading strategy. Okay, let's get to today's video. Okay, since this strategy requires the use of TradingView, you should use this strategy in the main market and the main currency pairs in binary brokers. Note that you do not need the premium version of TradingView, and just register for free with an email in 1 minute. You can add any currency pair you need in the left bar. Just create a wish list here. Then, click on the plus button and add the currency pair you need here to your list. For example, I want to add NZD/USD to my list. Before doing this, pay attention to one important point. As you can see, for each currency pair there are a lot of references. Because there will be differences in some candles between different references in a certain time frame and interval, but the most similarity between the Forex market chart and the main market currency pair in the binary options chart is in the WANDA reference. So, when choosing currency pairs, we go to those that have the word WANDA written in front of them. I choose NZD to USD and it is added to my list. I can add as many as I need here to my list so that we can easily click between currency pairs and look for positions. But this strategy is implemented using two indicators. The first indicator is the linear regression candles indicator. I will add this indicator to the chart. You can see that the indicator itself has drawn a series of candles for me. I will tell you what to do to get the chart out of this mess and to be able to easily recognize the candles and the trend. But the second indicator that we need is the UT-Bot Alerts indicator. I will also add it to the chart. We will enter the settings of the first indicator. We will set the signal smoothing to 7. We will not do anything with its other settings, and we will make the plot line a little thicker so that it is better visible. Now we will enter the settings of the second indicator. The key value should be 2 and the ATR period should be 1 because we are using this indicator on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can see that the number of signals and their location have changed. Now to arrange the shape of the candles, just go to the currency pair settings above, click on the More button, and then select the Hide option. You see the main candles are hidden, and we can now trade using the indicator signals. But how should we trade with this strategy? When the indicator shows a sell signal and the red candle closes below the moving average line, we enter a sell position in the 2 or 3 minute time frame. Similarly, for buy positions, whenever it shows us a buy signal and the green candle closes above the moving average, we enter a buy position in the 2 or 3 minute time frame. That is, we should trade below the moving average for sell positions and above the moving average for buy positions. The rules of the strategy are very simple, and we just need to carefully look for the right signals. Now look here. I am shown a buy signal while the candles are below the moving average, so we can't use the signal. Okay. I'm going to open the pocket option and look for some signals to trade. I set the time of the candles to 1 minute and the time of the trade to 3 minutes. If you look, we have a buy signal on the USD CHF currency pair and the green candle is above the moving average. I find this currency pair in the pocket option. Since its profit is low, so I won't use this signal. As you can see, we have a sell signal on the GBP USD currency pair and the red candle is below the moving average. I entered 2 lower trades. But I was mistakenly on the AEDCNY currency pair and traded it. And I got lucky in the end. Note that wherever the chart consists of weak candles like these, it means you are in a bad market and you should not trade there. We have a sell signal on Euro GBP and the red candle is below the moving average, so we are going to trade for a sell. Okay. Now I want to do the next trades in the 2-minute time frame. As I said before, you can trade with this strategy in the 2 or 3-minute time frame. Okay dears, be sure to practice with this strategy in the demo environment for a while to master its points well. Don't forget that you must trade on a healthy chart and avoid bad markets. Otherwise, you cannot have a proper win rate with any method and strategy you use. If you like the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and send the video link to your friends. To register with PocketOption Broker, you can use the registration link below the video and get a 50 to 60% bonus to start practicing and trading for free. You are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, goodbye.